Hey, it's Bailey Bible here with Industrial Power for another episode of Shop Talk. Today we're talking ISDs. With those ISDs in particular, we're going over lift gates and wheelchair lifts. Whether your ISD has a regular lift gate on its white boxes or it has a wheelchair lift on its special ed buses, we can provide the preventative maintenance on site, or we can do more in-depth repairs, including painting, replacing, and reinstalling if your ISD needs that as well. Now, if your ISD likes to use contracts, we have several that are specific to lift gates and to wheelchair lifts. There are also tons of other contracts that you can utilize that have to do with just general maintenance or any type of repairs with the fleet vehicles. Now, here at IP Truck, of course, we are your one-stop shop for your ISD. Whether you need preventative maintenance, general repairs, or anything in between on the powertrain, including the actual lift gates or wheelchair lifts, we can do that for you. Call me directly at 214-277-1590 to get your preventative maintenance or general repairs scheduled today. Thank you.